To add a title, you have to be in your Home tab, and not surprisingly, you click on Title. If you've already named your project, then the system will put in that name. Otherwise, you just edit it by clicking on it and putting in whatever title you want. I don't want that 2 there, so that can go. I'll also change the font. Let's change it to what we've got here. Rockwell Extra Bold. That's nice and big. Plus we can then change the size. Let's try 72. That looks really good. Okay, move it more to the centre. Just lift it a tad, and that's that done. I like the white lettering, but that black background's a bit grim, so we'll just change the background colour. Click on that. I go for sort of pastel-y things. Let's try that one. Quite pleasant, maybe a bit darker. That one maybe. That looks good. The next thing to change is the duration. As you can see here, it's defaulted to 5.67 seconds, which is far too long anyway. So all you have to do is click on that, and we'll choose, I think 2 seconds will be ample. So you can see it shrunk it right down, but it hasn't shrunk the background. So we've got to do the same with that. So you just click on that, and go to Video Tools, Edit, and then as you can see that's still 7 seconds. So we'll bring that back down to 2. Now they both match. Great. If we now play the video, we'll see that the title has defaulted to a fade in, fade out. Don't really like that, so we'll change it. So we'll click on the text. That brings up these formatting tools. Click on Format. Now you see you've got all these different options. That's a solid one, which is the one I'll eventually choose, but just to quickly show you, there's that one, there's a weird one there's a twirly one, there's all sorts. But this is the one I want with no movement in the text. That's it for titles. If you want to add credits, it's a very similar system. Just click on Home and you come down to Credits. Click on the arrow to the side here. That gives you 4 different options. You can add any of those. If you clicked on the credits in the middle, it would automatically add all of them. As with the titles, you can of course change the font family and the font size to whatever you want. Next I'll be talking about adding captions, which is slightly different from titles and credits.